Mga kanos, Merry Christmas, kag musta?
Bago matapos ang year 2022, let's pamper ourselves diri sa City Times Square, Iloilo. I'm Drinking Nose and welcome to my vlog. Ka-open lang nila pero they have a good reviews and excellent service. Ang Izella Aesthetics is one of the fastest growing aesthetic clinic in Bacolod City. Now here in Iloilo with essential skincare services to offer. Delightful gid ang December year-end holiday promo sale. A whole month of discounts and freebies up to 50% off. Book now with your preferred services. Cool and cozy ambience. Before ta malaman sa Christmas kag New Year, syempre itry ta ni ang Emsculpt Abdominal para sa abs. O diba? Fitness goals lang. Tama na chika, sugod na ta. Once it penetrates the skin, the energy induces 20,000 supra-maximal muscle contractions. That's 20,000 sit-ups or squats that are accompanied by a rapid metabolic reaction in fat cells to not only strengthen and build muscle but also reduce fat. Sa una masakit siya mga nose pero pasanay-sanay lang. Di ma-feel mo gid ang pressure when working out pero laid da. Diba? Super gid ko nang enjoy sa ila excellent service kag very accommodating staffs. Kag to na day, kag deserve mo ang me time. Mandamo gid na salamat sa Izella Aesthetics family kag kay Ma'am Jenny kag syempre sa pinakagwapo ko na pod si Heart Kisses. Thank you for watching this video manos. Please do like, follow my social media platforms and also subscribe to my YouTube channel Drinking Nose. See you again in my next lago here in City of Love, Iloilo City. Bye! Merry Christmas mga nose!